Exercise number 4 says rationalize the denominator of each fraction. What does that mean? What does that mean? Ooh, dead air on the end. Oh, good. Allie, what does it mean?
Get rid of like what's in the denominator.
Well, it's not that I'm getting rid of what's in the denominator. What do I need to get rid of? The square root. Okay? To get rid of the square root means I need to rationalize. But hey, I can't just multiply by root 7. Because then I'm going to have a root 7 by the 2 over here. I've got 2 terms down there. So what do I multiply by to get rid of this square root? Lauren S?
Multiply both sides by...
The top and the bottom, yep.
Yeah.
2 plus root 7. The numbers stay the same. I just changed the sign in the middle. It goes from minus to plus. What if it was 2 plus root 7 in the real fraction? I'd multiply by 2 minus root 7. Okay? Now I need to do that on top and bottom. All right? Now I'll work over here on the side. 2 minus root 7 times 2 plus root 7. You guys are going to see that's the difference. That's the factored form of the difference of 2 squares. But you can go ahead and distribute it. Don't worry about that. 4 plus 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7. That's why we give them the different signs, so those things will cancel out. Minus root 7 times plus root 7 is minus root 49, which is minus 7. This cancels with this. That's what we want. 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Good. So on the bottom of this fraction, I have minus 3. I'll stick that negative on top once I figure out what the top is. Right, Jet? Wake up. He says he's awake. All right. Let's multiply those 2 things. All right? So I've got 1 plus root 7 times 2 plus root 7. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times root 7 is just root 7. 2 times root 7 is 2 root 7. Root 7 times root 7 is root 49, also known as 7. Add these 2, I get 3 root 7. 2 and 7 is 9. So now on top I've got 9 plus 3 root 7. But since we're in the 8th grade and not the 4th, we're going to want to put that negative up here. And I would just write it. You don't have to distribute it in. Just leave it as negative 9 plus 3 root 7 all over 3. You can distribute it in. That'd be fine. But get that negative out of the denominator.
But could you simplify or like no cancel?
I'm sorry, what did you say, Al?
Cancel like 9 and 3.
Oh, thank you, Ellie. I didn't even see that. My answer is a fraction. I've got to see if I can cancel anything. Ellie, what do I need to pull out?
9 and 3.
Well, I can't pull out a 9. What goes into this term and this term?
3.
A 3. So now I've got negative 3, right, because I pulled out a 3. And there was already a negative out there, times 3 plus root 7, all over 3. The 3's cancel, and that leaves me with negative 3 plus root 7. Cameron. I'm sorry. 3 root 7 is positive. I didn't take out a negative. Remember, this negative's already out there from the bottom. Okay? I didn't take out a negative. It was already out there. All right? Nice job, Ellie. Negative quantity 3 plus root 7. Beautiful. Let's look at the next one.